In this video, I will show you how to buy VIP tickets on Ticketmaster. First, open the Ticketmaster app, or you can open up any web browser and head over to ticketmaster.com. Make sure to log into your account. Now go ahead and search for the artist, event, or venue. Once you have found it, tap on the Find Tickets option. Now you're going to find different events over here. Select the one where you want to go. Now you're going to see all the available tickets over here. To find specifically VIP tickets, you want to apply some filters. For that, tap on this filter icon. Now uncheck the option that says standard admission and check the one that says VIP or VIP package. If you find it over here, go ahead and check that. Next, if it is set to lowest price, you want to set that to best seats. Best seats usually includes the VIP seats, so make sure that you select that option. Now tap on apply filters. Now all the seats you will find over here should say VIP seats. Go ahead and select whichever you want. Then find the details over here. Before tapping on the reserve tickets option, confirm that this seat is VIP and it includes different types of VIP perks. Then tap on reserve tickets option. Now complete the payment process. And that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.